Hey everybody, Andrew here again. Welcome back to the homestead. First of all, let me say Happy New Year to all. Wish you all the very best in the 2023. Now, behind me here is my composting pile. I throw everything that's fruits and vegetable in here. Everything that's plant-based goes right in here. Some of the stuff for some reason started growing. Well, the other day we had 4 consecutive days of frost and all the vines are now gone. So I'm gonna go in there, dig it up and see what I can harvest. Let's go. Okay, so today what I have, a brand new shovel. Of course, I'm the breaker of shovels. And my trusty, what used to be a rake. I bought this many years ago at Sears. And I tell you, it served me well. I used this to dig rocks out of the dirt, out of the ground, everything. So I smashed these off a couple of days ago using it to yank some boulders. So that's my doing. It's okay. But let's look for what we can find. I don't want to put my hands down in it because this thing generates a lot of heat and I've done that before and I find snakes living in it. So I'm using a rake and if need, a shovel. I think this is a good sign. My first find. This is gonna take a little more effort than I thought. Let's use the shovel. Nice. Now let's see how much more we can find without splitting them in half with the shovel. This is going to be thrown back in just so we can have more growing again later. Oh, look at this. I got this one with the rake. That's okay. I'll cook this one today. This looks like something ate it. Look at that. Yeah. Here we go again. So now, you gotta remember this is a composting pile. It's filled with worms. I'm thinking at some point they started eating some of these stuff. So we'll see. Let's keep looking. Throw back. I don't know. I'm thinking I might have to throw this one back. I don't know if I want to bring this in the house, even if I could take a piece off it. So I'm digging. Look at that. Rat. Field rat. See him running? There he is. Right there. Right here. Got him by the tail. So I'm digging, seeing a lot of movements. And look at that. Here's another one. These are the guys eating my sweet potatoes. Field rats. So this is the keep. I'm definitely bringing this inside. This is a lot of sweet potato. This is going back into the pile, into the compost pile. I've never harvested from there before. It's the first time in about 4 years I've ever gone in there to harvest anything since I put it together. And that's just the good thing. That's the benefit of doing something for yourself. Usually I go to the supermarket looking for sweet potato and I find the stuff with the holes in it, just like you see there, because it's either that or you make your soup without sweet potato. But when you start doing for yourself, now you can control the stuff that you bring into the house, because that stuff with the blemish on it, I'm not bringing it into the house. And some of them I thought maybe worms started eating them because they've been there for so long. They started rotting in the ground, so you know. And it turned out there are field mice in the compost. So I'm pretty sure they're eating the stuff that's shallow. Because the ones that's deeper down, those are intact, they're beautiful. But the shallow stuff, that's the stuff they're nibbling on. Now, I have a lot of problem with these mice. They have eaten up all my pumpkins. We got no pumpkins this year. The winter took out the rest. And early when I came to get them, there were holes in them. They were hollow. Let me put it like that. So do something for yourself. Don't be afraid to plant. Don't be afraid to get into the garden. Don't be afraid to get your nails dirty. It's okay. Put some gloves on. You still got a little dirt, but the harvest is always just it's just the best. The feeling is just the best. Don't be afraid, guys. Get out and plant something. Right? Andrew here. This is the homestead. I plant food. Have a good day.